exciting news today, but I did want to give you a brief understanding of who Everyscape is and what we're doing. We've been a leader in the immersive imagery creation space since 2003. Largely that's been focused recently on really trying to reinvent local search. Allow someone who's interested in going to a local business or a local experience to be able to literally walk through the front door of that business and experience it for themselves. And we call that Escape. We've built the largest professional panoramic photography network in the world. And largely that's used to supply the 10,000 salespeople that are now selling this product into small local businesses through our partnerships with AT&T, Yellowbook, and SK Telecom. So let me show you what an Escape actually looks like. So this is actually the breakers in Palm Beach. And at first glance, it might look like your traditional panorama. But what's very interesting about Everyscape and its algorithms and technology is we're able to infer information from these images and really create a very compelling experience, one that's very human, but also can be very superhuman. So I'll just click this arrow right here. It's a popular destination right now. And now you're actually on the roof of the breakers, actually navigating in a very, I guess, superhuman type way. You might ask how this is different from something like Street View. Essentially, we use software to actually create a lot of this transition effects as opposed to relying on things like LiDAR or sophisticated GPS, spherical cameras, et cetera. So the big news is our vision was really to build this thing called the real world online. And that was a much bigger thing than just building a particular hotel property, although this particular property has about 650 panoramas associated with it. We really wanted to allow anyone to be able to do this. And so today, we're announcing something we call Escape It. And it starts out as the ability to allow anyone, anywhere, to create Escape. It starts out with an iPhone app that is currently in the App Store as of right now. Which allows you or anyone with a phone to basically, if you can press a button and slowly walk around your iPhone, and if that takes somewhere around 30, 40 seconds, you'll be able to create something that looks like this. Now, this should look familiar to many of you. If not, it will be shortly. So again, this was all shot yesterday afternoon with my iPhone. This is obviously the conference that we're in right now. And so what we've basically done is taken all the tools that we actually built to create things like the breakers and moved all of that into the cloud. So we now have a SaaS-based service that allows anyone anywhere to be able to access these tools and build this kind of content. So this is just another example of the content. So we're actually announcing, I can get through this. There we go. More than just this app. But you're actually allowed to share these things on Facebook. And today, again, we're announcing the mobile Escape creation. Later this month, we're going to allow anyone with any camera that can create that same video of you panning in 360 degrees. So imagine a point-and-shoot camera, digital SLRs. Those of you still own flip phones, I'm sorry. But you'll be able to use, or flip cameras, you'll be able to use those as well. And also in Q3, we'll actually enable you to access that ability to get those cool 3D Escape connections. And so, in short and final, basically, again, if you can pan around with a phone, you too can actually create these things. And let me show you some other techniques that you might actually want to use as well.
Satisfaction in me.
So thank you very much. Uscape, it's in the App Store right now, or uscapeit.com. Thank you very much.